The Ninja AF101 air fryer that crisps is a remarkable and versatile kitchen appliance. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing, I can confidently say that this air fryer delivers outstanding performance and functionality. One of the standout features of the Ninja AF101 air fryer is its programmable settings. This allows users to easily customize their cooking experience, ensuring optimal results every time. Whether you're looking to air fry, roast, reheat, or dehydrate, this appliance has got you covered. In terms of dimensions, the product measures at 8.5 inches in diameter, 12.1 inches in width, and 11 inches in height. These compact dimensions make it a great fit for any kitchen countertop, without taking up too much space. The sleek gray color adds a touch of elegance to the overall design, seamlessly blending with any kitchen decor. With a 4-quart capacity, the Ninja AF101 air fryer offers plenty of room to cook for the entire family.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.